How to use manual mode. First, navigate to the Google search scraper. Prepare your keyword and city. Then click on the Add button. Here is your complete query. Now, click on the Start button. Take a look if you find any type of error during scraping. Then it's time to switch the mode of scraping from default to manual. To do that, just click on the Open Browser button. It will launch a dynamic browser. Now minimize the open browser and try to search your keyword again by clicking on the Start button. After some time, you will get all your data. Just do a simple review and download it. Thank you for watching.